Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the necessary tools for this battery replacement. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Make sure to have your new Dyson V8 battery on hand as well. First, ensure that your vacuum is unplugged and turned off. Safety is paramount. Start by turning the vacuum upside down to access the battery compartment. Locate the two screws that secure the battery in place. These are typically found at the base of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the battery out of the compartment. If it feels stuck, use your flathead screwdriver to pry it out carefully. Take this opportunity to clean the internal compartment with your soft cloth, removing any dust or debris that may have accumulated over time. This maintenance step can enhance the overall performance of your vacuum. Now, take your new battery and align it with the connectors in the compartment. Push it in firmly until you hear a click, indicating it is securely in place. Next, retrieve the screws you set aside earlier and use your Phillips screwdriver to reattach them, ensuring they are tightened properly but not over-tightened to avoid stripping the screws. If you feel uncertain about performing this task, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help you assess the issue with your vacuum and provide a clear path forward. Once the new battery is installed and secured, turn your vacuum back upright. Before you plug it in, give the exterior a quick wipe down to keep it looking fresh. Now, plug in the vacuum and allow it to charge fully before using it again. This ensures that the new battery reaches its optimal performance. If you experience any difficulties or feel uncomfortable with this process, don't hesitate to reach out. We provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your vacuum serviced without the hassle. No calls, no travel, just simple and convenient service at your doorstep. Finally, once your vacuum is back in action, check the battery life during use. If you notice any issues, we offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs involved before any work is done. This way, you can keep your Dyson V8 running smoothly for years to come. Remember, regular maintenance and timely battery replacements are key to extending the life of your vacuum. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.